Welcome everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Today we will discuss about the preparation of alkanes through Grignard reagent. That how we can prepare alkanes from the Grignard reagent. There are following types of reactions through which we can prepare alkanes from the Grignard reagent. First of all, let's see what is Grignard reagent. They are also called as the derivatives of alkyl halides. Okay, they are also called as derivatives of alkyl halides, which belongs to the class of organometallics. Class of organometallic. Organometallic. Okay, they are organometallic compounds. Organo from organic, metallic from metal. So organic portion is R. R may be methane, propane, ethane. Okay, R group. And here metal is in Grignard reagent. The metal is magnesium. Okay. So this is RMgX is Grignard reagent. Okay, this is Grignard reagent. Now, what is the specialty of this reagent? Or you can say the what is the reason of its reactivity? Its reason of reactivity is due to the here is R maybe methane say R propane say it is methane. Its reason of reactivity is due to the partial negative charge over the carbon of alkane group and partial positive charge on the magnesium. Okay, and here is partial negative as well. So remember one thing, the negative charge on the carbon of the alkane group is unusual character. The negative charge on the alkane group is unusual, on the alkane carbon is unusual character. So this is the reason this carbon, this unusual character is the main reason of its reactivity. Okay, now let's see how we can prepare alkanes from this reagent, from this Grignard reagent. We can prepare alkane from this reagent, from this Grignard reagent, by reacting this reagent with water. Okay, reaction with water. Second, we can also prepare alkanes by reacting the Grignard reagent with ammonia. Third, reaction with alcohol. Okay, so these are three types of reaction from which we can prepare alkanes from the Grignard reagent. Okay, so let's see what is the reaction, what are the reactions of all these compounds with the Grignard reagent and how they gives us alkanes. So first is reaction with water. Here we are taking Grignard reagent with water. It gives us RH plus. Now let's see its mechanism. Here its mechanism is, because because when we are deriving mechanism of any kind of reaction, in mechanism we will understand that how the reactants react with each other and gives us our product. Here is Grignard reagent which is reacting with water. Okay, here is in the presence of dry ether. Here is partial negative charge, partial positive, positive, partial negative, partial negative. In the presence of dry ether, what will happen? This negative charge, this alkyl group, here I am saying again, alkyl group may be, it may be methane, propane, ethane. Okay, this negative charge will attack over here. This bond will shift over here, and we will get just like this positive charge. Now what will happen in the next? This hydroxyl from this will attack over here, and here is alkane, and here is, okay, this is our product, that is alkane. So this is the mechanism of the reaction of Grignard reagent with water. Now its reaction with ammonia. Here is partial positive charge, here is partial negative charge, and same here, partial positive, partial negative, partial positive. In the presence of dry ether, what will happen? This negative charge, this alkyl will attack over here, this bond will shift over here, and here is our product. Here is magnesium with halide is positive charge. Now in the next step, this ammonia group will attack over here, and will be attached with, okay, this is again alkane, that is our product. Okay, now its reaction with alcohol. Reaction with alcohol. What will happen? Here is RMGX, partial positive charge, partial negative. It will react with alcohol in the presence of dry ether. Now what will be the product? The product again will be alkane with RMGX, and here is OR groups, epoxy group. Now its mechanism. Here is our Grignard reagent with alcohol. Here R may be methane, ethane, or propane. Here is partial negative, here is partial positive charge. Here is partial negative, here is partial positive, partial negative charge. In the presence of dry ether, what will be happen? This negative ion will attack over here. This bond will shift over here. Okay, what will be happen? Here is alkane, here is magnesium. In the next step, OR negative, this will attack over this magnesium. and it will form this compound. So this is again alkane. So here we are saying that we have formed alkanes from the Grignard reagent by reacting water. When water reacts with Grignard reagent, it also forms alkane. When ammonia reacts with Grignard reagent, it also forms alkanes. And when alcohols will react with Grignard reagent, they will also form alkanes. So it was all about today's lecture. Thank you.